Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar, and we continue our work in this lecture student. In the last lecture we already completed the explanation of the chapter number 18 and what is be done? Only explanation part is finished, okay, by me, and I give you some instructions. What I given you? Related to reading part. You read the chapter at home or not? Send me your reply on the group. I want to see your reply. Ma'am, I read the chapter, this chapter I read. Or you read the chapter of your PT4 that is related to PT4, 14 or 15 to send your reply to me in the group, okay? If you read the chapter number 14, right? I read the chapter number 14, okay? Or 18 to write the 18, or 15 to 15, okay? Student, today we continue our work, and what is that work? We start our writing part of the chapter number 18. Clear? Today we write the new words of the chapter number 18. Clear? So what you do for the writing part? First you write the day. On the first line you have to write the chapter number, chapter 18. On the next line leave one line and write chapter name, pollution. After that you have to write the heading, new words. Clear? One number. On the first number you have to write the pollution, 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 pollution. Number 2, pollu, pollutants, pollutants. After that realized, realized, realized. Chemicals, chemicals, chemicals. Now the fifth number, poisonous, poisonous. Poisonous means that is create very difficult things in our body. That thing destroy our immune system, respiratory system, means all the things. That poisonous means this thing affected to our all internal parts. Toxic, toxic gases. Seven number, Allergies. A double L-E-R G-I-E-S. Allergies. 8 number, global warming. Global warming. Now the 9 number, garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E-S. Garbages. G-A-R-B-A-G-E-S. 10 number, fertilizers. F-E-R-T-I-L-I-Z-E-R. Fertilizer. And chemicals. Honking. H-O-N-K-I-N-G. Honking. Now the 13 number, eco-friendly. Eco-friendly. F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Eco-friendly. Eco-friendly. So student, this is the new words of this chapter. Clear? How many we wrote? 13. What is we wrote on the number? 1. On the number 1, we wrote pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Pollution. Number 2, P-O-L-L-U-T-A-N-T-S. Pollutants. Now the 3 number, realized. R-E-A-L-I-Z-E-D. Realized means you know about that. This is the meaning. Know all the things about anything. Now the 4th number, chemicals. C-H-E-M-I-C-A-L-S. Chemicals. 5th number, poisonous. P-O-I-S-O-N-O-U-S. Poisonous. Now the 6th number, toxic. T-O-X-I-C. Toxic gases. Now the 7, allergic. A-L-L-E-R-G-I-E-S. Allergies. Now the 8th number, global warming. G-L-O-B-A-L-W-A-R-M-I-N-G. Global warming. Now the 9th number, garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E. Garbage. Now the 10th number, fertilizer. F-E-R-T-I-L-I-Z-E-R. Fertilizer. Now the 11th number, chemicals. C-H-E-M-I-C-A-L-S. Chemicals. Honking. This is related to sound making instrument. What? Now the 13th, eco-friendly. E-C-O-F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. That is good for the environment and also good for the human beings. So we said this thing eco-friendly. Means that thing not harmful for the environment and not harmful for the human beings. Clear? So this is the new words. I send you all the things on the group. If you want to take a picture of this thing, you take the picture. Okay, student? After that, we complete our book exercise. Open the page number 1, 2, 3 and pay the attention in the book. Okay, student? Open the book page number 1, 2, 3. On this page, what given on this page? What is given on this page? On this page, book exercise given. Question number A given, that is the tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Book exercise 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Clear? Question number A. What is given in the question number A? In the question number A, first you read what is given there. Number A, the contamination of the environment is called, page number 1, 2, 3, question number A. Contamination of the environment is called recycle, waste or pollution. Tick the option number C. First we write the question. Contamination of the environment is called, answer is, pick the option number C, pollution. Okay. Now the number 2. Burning of fuels and smoke causes pollution. Means if you burn the fuel, means petrol, and smoke. If you burn wood or any plastic material, so it produces smoke. So with that smoke, which thing happened in the environment? Which factor affected by that smoke? Air, water or land? The answer question number 2 is burning of fuel and smoke. Dash, dash, dash. What is the answer of the number 2? Student, I am not writing whole question on the board. Okay? So C is, answer is option number A. The smoke of the vehicle and the fuel. causes air pollution. Okay, correct? Now the number 3, open the page number 1 to 4, 124. Number 3 given here. Okay student, page number 1 to 4, 3 number given here. Read that the sentence. Burning of plastic bags releases. If you burn the plastic item, so which thing they produce? Smoke, toxic gases, C, acids. Burning of plastic, burning of plastics bags releases, what is the answer? B, toxic gases. If you burn the plastic item, it produces toxic gases. Toxic gases. Toxic gases. Clear? It is correct or not? Yes. If you burn the plastic item, it produces toxic gases, that is the harmful for the environment and as well as the human beings. Clear? So the question number A, contamination of the environment is called pollution. Tick the option number C. Number 2, burning of the fuels and smoke causes which types of pollution? Air pollution. Tick the option number A, air. Now the number 3 given in the page number 124. The burning of plastics bags, which thing produce? Toxic gases. Tick the option number B, toxic gases. Now the fourth number, which one damage plants, building and affect the soil? Which thing affect the soil? This question related to soil pollution. Wind, acid rain, monsoon, rain. Which one damage plants, buildings and affect the soil? Wind, tej hawa. Acid rain means some chemicals mix in the water, in the rainwater. So the option number B is correct. Which one? I am not writing whole question on the board. Which one? Dash dash dash. Now what is the answer of this question? Take the option number B, acid rain. Acid rain. Okay? Clear? Take the option number B. Now the fifth number. What is given on the fifth number? Read once again. Which one is not the cause of the noise pollution? Means इसमें से कौन सी एक चीज है जो noise pollution नहीं करती है? Loud music? No. Loud music create the noise pollution. Honking of horns? Yes. Now the garbage? Yes. Tick the option number C. Which one? Which is not cause, C-A-U-S-E, cause of noise pollution? Take the option number C, garbage. Why the garbage is not the cause of the soil pollution? Noise pollution, sorry. Because we throw the garbage. Garbage is the waste material of the human beings and the animals. So this is not affected the sound. If you are making play loud music, making noise, if you honking of horns or continuously run the machines, so this thing make the or create the noise pollution. But the garbage affected the soil and the water. and also the air. Clear? So the garbage is not the cause of the noise pollution. So tick the option number C on the 5th number. Clear? Garbage. Now the next question. Question number B. What is given in the question number B? Question number B is, see the picture and write the kind of the pollution. Now the smoke come out from the factory. So this is the cause of the which pollution? Air pollution. AIR, air pollution. First picture, write the below this one picture, first picture, write the air pollution. Now the number 2, see the picture, one man washing the clothes near the river. It caused the which types of pollution? Water pollution. Water pollution. Water pollution. Now the number 3. Number 3. Which types of pollution created here? Some garbage throwing in the on the road. So this is affected the air, because in the place of the dustbin, people throw the garbage on the road and it create the some smelling objects that affect our air. So we write there, it create the air pollution. Now the after that, one man cutting the tree. So which types of pollution is this? Search in the book. One man cutting the which thing? Plant. So it affects the soil. So the soil pollution happened there. Okay. So student, the book exercise completed here. Write in the below of the first picture, air pollution. The smoke come out from the factories. Second, water pollution. One man washing their clothes in front of the nearby the river. Now the third picture shows some garbage throwing on the road. So it make air pollution. Clear? Now the next one is one man cut the trees. So if you continuously destroy or cutting the trees, so we are facing some problem related to soil erosion. Clear? So we write here that is the types of soil pollution. It increase the soil pollution. Clear? So I finish my lecture here, student. I hope you continue doing your work and completing your writing part also. Read the chapter at home and prepare yourself for the PT4. Your syllabus is chapter number 14 and 15. Read the chapter twice or thrice a day. Okay? So I finish my lecture here. Complete this writing part in the notebook. Write date. Write in the proper way. Use a nice pen. Write in the good handwriting. Okay? Bye.